If you're thinking about using LeadSquared for your landing page needs, there are a few key things you should know before making your decision. We'll compare it to other landing page tools like Unbounce, Lead Pages, and Instapage, so you can see if it's the right fit for you. First thing, LeadSquared is an all-in-one marketing automation platform, which means it does more than just landing pages. While competitors like Unbounce and Lead Pages focus primarily on landing page creation, LeadSquared also handles email marketing, CRM, and lead management. This could be a huge advantage if you want everything in one place. Next thing, LeadSquared's landing page builder is intuitive and easy to use, but it's not as advanced as some competitors. While you can create basic, high-converting landing pages quickly, you won't find as many customization options as you would with a tool like Instapage, which has a more robust drag-and-drop editor. The third thing, it offers pre-built templates that can save you time, but the selection is more limited compared to other platforms. If you're looking for variety, you might find tools like Lead Pages or Unbounce have a wider range of templates tailored to specific industries. The fourth thing, LeadSquared integrates well with popular CRMs and email platforms. However, if you already use a different CRM or marketing tool, you might find the integrations a bit more complex compared to some other platforms that have more plug-and-play options. Fifth, LeadSquared offers decent analytics, but the reporting features aren't as detailed or flexible as some of its competitors. If advanced data analysis is important to you, platforms like Unbounce may provide more in-depth insights into your landing page performance. Next, let's talk about A/B testing. While LeadSquared does support A/B testing, it's more basic compared to other tools. If you want more advanced testing features and better split testing capabilities, you might find platforms like Instapage or Lead Pages give you more control. The seventh thing, LeadSquared does have a built-in lead management system, which is great for handling leads and automating follow-ups. But if you don't need this functionality, you might be paying for extra features you won't use. The eighth thing, the platform is highly scalable, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, LeadSquared can grow with your needs. However, for smaller businesses looking for a simple landing page builder, it might be overkill, and you may prefer a simpler tool like Lead Pages. The ninth thing, LeadSquared's customer support is responsive, but it's not as highly rated as some of its competitors. If you need immediate help or extensive support, you may find better customer service with platforms like Unbounce, which is known for its top-notch support team. The 10th thing, pricing. LeadSquared can be more expensive than other landing page builders, especially if you're only interested in the landing page features. For those who don't need the full suite of marketing tools, platforms like Lead Pages or Unbounce might be more affordable options. The 11th thing, LeadSquared does offer mobile-friendly landing pages, but the mobile optimization can be a bit tricky compared to other platforms like Instapage, which excels in mobile responsiveness and customization. Finally, LeadSquared offers a free trial, so you can try it out for yourself before committing. However, keep in mind that its pricing structure can get complicated, so you'll want to review the details carefully before making a long-term decision. In conclusion, LeadSquared is a solid option for businesses looking for an all-in-one marketing solution with landing page functionality. It's perfect if you need lead management, automation, and other features all in one place. But if you're primarily focused on landing pages and need advanced customization or more flexibility, there are other tools that might suit your needs better. If you want to explore a better alternative, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.